So hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you guys facing connection error 811100013 failed to load player profile in War Thunder, so guys watch this video till end because in this video I am showing why this error problem is coming and what is the solution of this problem. So guys, you can watch this video till end. If you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you guys facing this error problem in War Thunder today, so guys you have to look at this graph. The red line is at the up. It means today many people facing this error problem in War Thunder. It means today War Thunder servers is down right now, and this is the reason why you are facing these error problem in War Thunder. So guys, what you have to do, so if this is the server issue and the War Thunder game team working on fixing these servers, so it may take some hours or some minutes. So guys, you have to wait for some time and this problem is automatically solved by the team. So guys, I hope you understand what I am saying. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel.